Does this go for inf? Wait. What? What do you mean he kills your party halfway through? Are you saying that he instantly kills? Like there's no dodge, no parry, no... It's just literally, he just... I mean, the first phase, I understand him erasing it from the canvas because he kills them, but you're telling me halfway he just literally deletes your main team and then goes, alright, backup team. That's a little bit... I mean, that's kind of fine, because I mean, you can have Melee and Verso on two different sides, like how I have it, but I guess. I don't know, that also makes me think, wouldn't it be better if you just had a solo fight with him? If he does that? Just literally give one of your characters solo and then just solo it, and then if he does it, it doesn't matter, no? Or does he redo it if there's more than 3 characters? Because maybe that's how the boss logic is. At least that's what I would have done. Maybe it checks if there's 3 people on the battlefield, and if there is, it just deletes them.
Here we go.
I'm saying solo as in with Verso and shooting, not with Melee. Oh, well, that's fun. Alright, so here's what the plan is. How many more do I need with, yeah. We're missing a solid 5. That's not terrible.